1, 2, 3. The conch box. Okay, now this vlog is mainly a test vlog. I'm just gonna try something out because in my conch box videos I'm gonna be wanting to use a gun. This gun right here. And I'm gonna attempt to do an effect. Like I'm gonna actually try to make it shoot like if it's actually shooting gunfire or whatever. So I'll see how that works. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm pretty much done editing. Tell me what you think. Was it good? Was it bad? Troll me. Literally troll me. Because I want to get the effect down right. So, alright. That's all I'm going to do. So, bye.